7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hey guys, this is Mike with Mass Muscle Cars, and today we're doing a exhaust on the Beta, on the daily. I cannot believe how rusty the stuff is in 2 years. The car's only got 15,000 miles, and I literally broke a lot of the bolts off the car. It's unbelievable, crazy what New England weather does to a car. But anyways, I've already got the exhaust off, and this is what it looks like. I mean, it's literally just dirty, and it's got tar on it and stuff like that. But as you can see, it's pretty new. They just need to be cleaned up and look like new again. But that's the old stuff. And we're going to be putting on a FullRace exhaust, 3-inch cap back for today. I'm going to be taking this out of the package, and we're gonna start installing this stuff on the car. And I just want to show you guys the bolts. I mean, these things are only, like I said, about 2 years old. And look at that, crazy. And get new bolts from Honda. But it is what it is. This is the car underneath, as you can see. I mean, she's brand new. I mean, it's only got 15,000 miles. That's why I can't believe all that. You know, the bolt snappage. Way down there in the front. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's where the cat is. And that part over there was really crap material. Really crappy. Take a look at that. I don't know if Honda is just using crap materials or what, but I mean, look at that thing. I mean, the flange is literally, it's just falling apart, you know? Just getting rusty as shit. But other than that, I mean, the car's brand new underneath. I mean, it's, I give this thing a bath to get all this salt and stuff on it. Now because of this, I'm thinking about getting a daily for the daily, a beater for the beater. Other thing I wanted to show you guys is, take a look at this material that FullRace sends you. I mean, you'd think that for the money you pay, you know, it's a very expensive exhaust, supposed to be one of the top of the line for the Civic Si. But I mean, take a look at the quality here. I mean, you can tell by looking at the color. See the color of those, how they're a little bit shinier? That's just regular grade steel right there. Luckily, I have my own supply in my garage. Now that's regular steel there, and that's stainless steel. That's top of the line quality grade material right there. Luckily, like I said, I had my own, but I mean, you'd think they'd send you that quality. Not that. That's garbage. That's gonna rust the second it gets on the car. You know, one day, couple, 2-3 weeks out there driving in this shit weather in the snow, and that's what's gonna happen. You're gonna see, that's, you know, I mean, shit, I had exhaust on the car that was on there for 2 years. If Honda used good quality, I wouldn't have had to snap them all off when they came off. It's, you know, it's just insane. But yeah, that's good stuff right there. That's stainless steel. Nuts, lock washers, and the bolts, top quality stainless, and that's the garbage that they send you. Now you can tell by looking at the clamps. If you look at the clamps, you'll see that they're same material as the bolts. The color matches. That's good quality clamp right there. The bolt could be stainless, I'm not sure, but you know, it looks, it's probably stainless, but the nut, I question the nut, but anyways, yeah, that's, this one, same thing. That's stainless steel. You can tell by looking at the nuts. See the difference? How that's like a little more of a grayish color, and that's more of a shiny steel. That's gonna rust instantly. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. So now let's get started on the install. We took the exhaust off, back to front, and now we're going to start front to back. It's just the easiest way to do it. That's the new muffler. I mean, real nice quality stuff. You'd think that the quality would be there with everything. Nice clamp here. That's one thing I really like, is you don't have to worry about bolts back here. It's got a nice turbo style clamp lock that locks onto this. I mean, real nice quality exhaust, but they skimped on the hardware. Alright, so there she is. Hey guys, so let me show you the finished product. This is what it looks like. Real nice looking exhaust. Everything went on nice and smooth. A little bit of work to get it centered here, but yeah, it came out really nice. Just one issue with this exhaust, and I'm going to show you guys, and there's one little bolt here that you have to cut off. One little bolt here that you got to cut off. I've heard a lot of people talk about rattles, and it's right where the straight pipe comes back from the cap, right where it starts the curve, right here, the first curve. There's a bolt up in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's kind of dark out, but you can see the bolt right there. I cut just the tip of it off with the Sawzall. It wasn't hitting much there. It wasn't really vibrating, but if you tap it by hand up and down, it was hitting there. So I just chopped the top of it off, and it's fine now. But other than that, I mean, everything fit nice. But yeah, and to get the exhaust centered on in the back with the bumper, you have to bring it back. It's kind of really dark in here. It's kind of hard to see, but you have to bring it back quite a bit to line it up perfectly. To get it centered in the back, you have to loosen up the clamp and move it back. You gotta twist it a little bit so that it centers in the back with the bumper, and so that it's not too close to the spring. But yeah, it doesn't hit the car at all. Does not hit the car. But it does look, exhaust does look awesome. It does look really good. Got a lot more content coming for you guys for this on this car, and we've got some other cars that we're going to be building also.